Have you ever looked at a Cheeto and thought, how on earth is this crunchy, cheesy, curly made? Today we're going inside the factory to follow the journey from simple cornmeal to the iconic snack we all know of as Cheetos. It all starts with corn. Factories receive massive shipments of cornmeal, which is stored in giant silos. Automated systems move the cornmeal through tubes and conveyors, where it's checked for purity, moisture, and grain size. Only the best batches move on. Next, the cornmeal enters a preconditioner, basically a high-powered industrial mixer. Water and a little oil are added, turning a dry meal into a soft, doughy mixture. Sensors constantly monitor heat and moisture, so your texture is perfectly for the next big step. This is the heart of the operation, the extruder. Inside a long heated barrel, a rotating screw pushes the dough forward, building up pressure and steam. At the end of the line is a metal plate called a die, a tiny opening that shapes the snack. When the pressurized dough finally bursts out, boom! It instantly puffs as the pressure drops. The spinning blade slices the puff pieces into those familiar shapes before they fall onto the conveyor. Depending on the type of snack being made, the pieces either head into a fryer or they float through hot oil until they reach the signature crunch. Or they move into a giant tunnel oven where hot air bakes them lightly. Timers, temperatures, and airflow are tightly controlled to perfect texture. After cooking, the puffs pass through a fine mist of oil. This helps the seasoning stick, and trust me, the seasoning is where the magic really kicks in. The cooked pieces tumble inside huge rotating drums. As they spin, bright orange cheese seasoning is sprinkled in. The motion ensures every single piece gets evenly coated. This is the moment Cheetos get their famous crunch, color, and flavor. Next, the snacks travel across long cooling belts. Fans blow cool air over them, so the seasoning sets properly. Each batch goes through strictly quality checks. Machines measure size, shape, color, and even crunchiness. Yes, they actually test crunch. Metal detectors and camera systems ensure each batch meets this standard. Only the best puffs move on. Finally, the snacks reach high-speed weighers and bagging machines. Plastic film is formed into bags, then filled, sealed, and stamped with their date. A bit of nitrogen may be added to keep the snacks fresh and prevent them from being crushed during shipping. Bags are boxed, sealed, and stacked by robotic arm. From here, they're shipped off to stores and eventually make their way to your hand. So the next time you grab a handful of Cheetos, you'll know the journey they took from cornmeal to crunchy, cheesy perfection. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, hit like, share, and subscribe for more Food Factory deep dives.